Hey there, Mike with AWM Water Features here. I am at the end of the Parade of Ponds, and we have a very special grand finale at today's Parade of Ponds. And so I just thought I'd do a quick video on showing you guys an update of the Hobbit Hole. So here we are at the Hobbit Hole, and it's just amazing the changes that have happened over the last 3 years since we put this in. Things have just really filled out nicely everywhere. You can see like the Virginia creeper we put in has grown up and over and is draping over the awning there. But yeah, we have some of the dead nettle likewise creeping and really filling things out. Now, one of the changes that was made was we had put in some grass here that he wanted, but the grass is really starting to take over everything. And so the customer pulled that out and put in some faux grass. But look at how natural that looks with that moss growing into it, and it looks really natural. So that's one of the changes that has happened over the past few years. Another change is, so the little pool here, there used to be a hand pump fountain there, but the customer found this dragon spitter, and I think it's a great addition to the Hobbit theme. So we have that here now. Another thing that has been added is kind of from these rocks on. So all this area, the customer has added. So he added this stone stepway here. All this flower bed, the fencing, the gate in the mailbox previously was kind of in this area here, and he moved that out to create space for this landscape area. Here we are at the entryway, and I just wanted to show you folks a few things. Look at how some of this moss, so we use a technique of taking moss and blending it up in a blender with yogurt or milk or something like that. And then we spread it on different areas, and you can see where we've spread it, it's really kind of taken off. Look at this here, how full that's gotten, and all through here. So that we really want that moss to fill out even more over the next few years, and make everything look ancient. Here's some natural moss that came on the rock, and is starting to really grow nicely. And look at this overhang with that Virginia creeper, dead nettle, a little bit of myrtle in there. Here you can see the faux window that we put in, and you can just barely make out the lighting there. The lights are on here and on the post right here. But especially at night, the lights when they're on in all these windows, it really makes it look like one big structure. So let's go in, take a look. Wow, it's so cool in here. And I mean, by cool, I mean temperature-wise. Having this be underground right now in late spring, it's got to be probably about 60 degrees in here, so it's really cool. But the customer has really done a lot with this area. I mean, he's had this for a while, but we have a little map of Middle Earth there. And then all sorts of really cool little trinkets. There's some cups and plates. And just a lot of little knickknacks, a little stove in this corner, that's new since I've been here. Got a little receptacle there, some faux fruit. But yeah, just really cool. Look at that woodwork. So Benjamin Scheid of Benjamin Scheid Custom Building Concepts put this in. And to me, this is one of the most impressive things about this this whole structure is this woodwork is just really top notch. And the engineering he had to do to get this to work is just really impressive. So yeah, hats off to Ben Scheid. So this is one of the things I absolutely love about this Hobbit Hole is this sign that was made. Normally in the books in the movie, the sign is on the door, but just love the no admittance except on party business. So there it is, the Hobbit Hole 2024 edition. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment below. We'll see you in the next video.